So for those of you that don't know, GEO stands for Generative Engine Optimization. And as it stands, it's basically SEO, but for AI models, for LLMs. You want your brand to be appearing on ChatGPT, on Perplexity, on Gemini. Traditional SEO, it's not dead yet, but it's no longer enough. It's changing fast. So previously, you have your potential customers just searching something on Google. Let's say that you're a restaurant. So like, oh, where can I find sustainable food in Dubai, for example? And then you would eventually find a bunch of websites that talk about where you can find sustainable food, and they would go to your restaurant's website. Right now, with Google AI search, that's no longer happening. According to Gartner, actually, some websites may actually lose up to 50% of their organic traffic. Because right now you have on Google those AI snippets. If you get the information that you want from, you will even suggest you 5 restaurants. You barely need to click on their website. And this is only for the restaurant industry, where maybe you even need to go to the Google Maps of the restaurant to find it. But imagine you have a retail product, like you're operating an e-commerce store. You might be missing out. So who are the models? Who are the culprits generating all of these? This is Google SGE. Now they changed the name to AI search, but it's the snippets that I mentioned right now. There's ChatGPT, there's Perplexity, there's Google Gemini. The user doesn't need to click on your website. So if your brand isn't being mentioned on these AI answers, you're invisible. You're not being part of the conversation. So AI is just summarizing what it knows. GEO is all about getting your brand referenced in AI-generated responses. It's the SEO for ChatGPT, Google AI, Perplexity, and more. These AI tools, they will reference you. They will pull from your website, from forums, Reddit and Quora, from YouTube, from different business directories, from news, blogs. They even pull PDFs. So you need to have an optimal presence across all of these services. You need to be educating the AI that you are a reputable source, that your brand, your business is a reputable source, a source of authority in the industry that you operate in. Okay? So all these large language models are trained on public data. So the more quality, reputable, cited public data that you have available, the better it is for the AIs to see you as authority. If your brand isn't being talked in the right way, you just won't get picked up. You need to start thinking about stuff, having a Wikipedia page, having structured schema on your website, having people, actual real people, having Reddit discussions about your brand that have actual upvotes and real engagement. You need to start thinking about having a Pinterest to which you post nice pictures of what your brand is, and people can actually save them. People can actually bookmark them. This shows the AI that your brand, that your content, the content that you're putting out there is something that people actually want to look at. GEO is about how you teach AI who you are, what you do, and why you matter. We're entering a world where the recommendation engine is the search engine. If you don't proactively shape what AI knows about your brand, you will be falling behind. As a case study, let's take a look quickly. I'm based out of Dubai. This restaurant, a vegan restaurant, really good. I really recommend. It's called Wild in the Moon. They consistently rank in AI-generated answers across queries. Best smoothies in Dubai, plant-based restaurants, healthy eating Dubai. Let's take a look at some of the things they're doing right. First of all, they have a very active blog and media presence. Look at this. 1, 2, 3, 4. The page was full of articles. Some of the articles, as I'll show here. So this is the header of an article, which when you click read more, I'm even going to zoom in, it actually links to the media page that actually wrote that. So let's say that Time Out wrote this article. They take the title, they take the image, and then they take the first paragraph and then read more. It links to Time Out's website. This increases their reputation, gives them, by linking to a trusted source, to their blog, they're really doing wonders to surface their results. Another thing is they have deep structured content. AI loves structured content. They love lists, they love tables, they love images, they love videos. It really likes to know where something ends and where something begins. Having these lists, this is great, right? Because if you're searching, oh, I need a detox juice, or oh, what is a detox juice in Dubai that I can use to boost my vitamin intake, then likely the AI is going to reference this content and it's going to tell you a bunch about Wild in the Moon's detox juice. Wild in the Moon is already seen as a reliable partner. They have mentions in the media. Now they have content that's very easy to parse. It's just the AI just needs to go there and take it. Oh, it's cold pressed. It's from organic farming, so we'll have vitamins for you. The product is made to order. It's fresh. It doesn't have preservatives. It's very healthy. So you get the idea. What they're also doing is they have these consistent authority signals. They have testimonials, they have expert quotes, they have content that's deep. It won't work for you to fill with content that's AI generated. You need to have actual content that's good, that can be distinguished from being made by a human. What can you do today? Start by running a test on your brand. Ask ChatGPT or Perplexity, who are the top, and then write your business or your industry brands in, and then the location that you're based. If you're in multiple locations, just choose one, choose your biggest market. Are you being mentioned? If you're not, then you have a big problem. Some actionable tips that you can start doing is start publishing content that has quotes, stats, and original insights. Start creating a community on Reddit. Think about something that the potential users of your product would search for. What is their problem? What are they trying to find information about? Create a thread, interact with other threads, make comments, ask people of the business, ask your friends and family to start making comments on these forums. This will really help you to get mentioned on AI tools. Structure your website for LLM readability, do short, cleared, and structured sections as I showed above, and then track it. There's a lot of free tools out there that you can use to track what is actually your AI visibility. HubSpot's AI Grader is amazing. It's completely free. You just need to leave your email, and that's the only thing they need to leave, not even a name. Think of GEO and LLMO, which is LLM optimization, as modern word of mouth, but for AI. Not only humans need to go and talk about you need the AI to be talking about you as well. All right. So as a final thought, AI is changing so fast. You may soon find yourself in a position where you're hearing people say SEO is going away. Google is adapting very fast. Only last week, Google released just a brand new feature that the AI answers now of Google are tailored to your location. So this is evolving very, very fast. You really don't want to be behind. And then if you want to be relevant moving forward, you need to show up in these AI conversations. The best time to you to start optimizing for GEO was yesterday, last year. The second best time is today. For someone that has been in the SEO and performance marketing industry for years now, trust me on this. This is going to change. This is going to be big. I'm very happy to do a free assessment of how you're doing and suggest several guidelines on what you can do starting today to change your GEO. Your brand deserves to be known. The AI just needs to learn it.